Hi guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not subscribed to the Stephanie's Journeys family, just click on that subscribe button below, as well as the notification bell beside that, so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today I have an unboxing for you. It is Grove Collaborative. I have not done a Grove unboxing in so freaking long. And then this one is just a little small mini unboxing of what I got. I forgot what I ordered. It's been a while since I ordered it, and I had it just sitting because I was like, oh, I'll make a video on it, and I just didn't open it, and I forgot I had it in there. So yeah, let's take a look. If you're interested in seeing what I got, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay guys, let's open it up, see what's in here. I got the reusable snack bags, and these were actually a free gift, and these are actually dishwasher safe on low setting, but nobody washes their dishes on low heat settings. I know I don't. If you want to play when I use my dishwasher. They are food safe and BPA free, and you get 2 of them in a little pack, and I think they like $9.99. I'll leave my Grove link below, but they're nice size. Let's see if it say what size they are on here. No, it doesn't say the actual size, but they're nice. You can get a good little snack in there, some nuts and stuff. But you get 2 of them. And they're just regular Ziploc clothes. So that's convenient. I got these so I can stop using so many plastic bags, especially for nuts, because I eat a whole lot of nuts. But this box, I didn't get a lot of stuff in here. I got some hand soap refill because I buy the bottle, and Costco actually has started selling the bottles there, and I got some, so I just bought some refills to fill it up. And I like the lemon verbena is my favorite scent from them. They have lavender, and I think they have like 5 different scents, but the lemon one is my favorite. And I also got dish soap refill because I buy the dish soap from them. I haven't been using it. I've been actually using the one from Costco, but Costco haven't been having the brand that they have that's biodegradable, so I picked up this one. And again, this is the same thing, the lemon verbena. Costco brand, I like that one, and I like this one too, but the Costco brand was way cheaper, so I got that. This is a 48 ounce, and the hand soap is a 33 ounce. And I got some pure Castile soap, because I'm also gonna make some soap for my pumps that I use, you know, they do the foam pumps. I watched the video on how to do that, so I bought this so I can try it myself, because I got some oils as well that I want to mix with it and see if I can make my own different smells of soap in the foaming. So if you're interested in seeing that, then comment below and let me know, and I'll make a video of it when I do it, if it turns out right. Also got some organic lemon eucalyptus insect repellent spray, because when I go outside messing around in my garden, those insects be eating me up, and I have off, but it has all those chemicals in it, so I wanted to get something that was a lot better and didn't have all those chemicals. So this is more friendly to your body. I don't know what all it has in it, to be quite honest, but it's mainly eucalyptus, which will help to deter bugs. And I got some, what was bent? This has no harsh chemicals like Ajax, and what's the other one I use? I forget, but I started buying this one and I liked it, so I've been buying it in place of Comet. Yeah, Comet is what it is. So Comet and Ajax, I usually buy either one of them, and it's not that expensive and doesn't have harsh chemicals, so that's why I buy this one instead. And it's thinning, but that's okay. Anyway, made in the USA. So that's all I have. in my little mini haul from Grow Collaborative. If you're interested in trying Grow, I'll link, of course, my link below in the description box so that you can check it out for yourself. You can go to the website and just see what they have to offer. Some of their stuff is a little pricey, but if you get the yearly subscription, you don't have to pay for, what is it? I think my yearly subscription is like $19 or something. And you don't have to pay for shipping, maybe. You don't have to pay. You get a free gift. I don't know what comes with it, but I'll link it below. You can read it for yourself and find out, because I've had it for at least 3-4 years, so I don't remember. And yeah, this is what I got. So thank you guys for stopping by my channel. Check the description box below for the link. And yeah, hope you guys have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.